In this structure, we already discussed about nuclear content of nuclear content because complete cell organelles, about complete cell organelles we'll discuss in another chapter. Outer structure is called nuclear membrane. And this spherical shaped structure is called nucleolus. This spherical structure which present near to nuclear envelope is called centriole. In which one pair of centriole present, centriole or centrosome. About centrosome in detail we will discuss in another chapter, which is cell. And this thread like structure is called chromatin fibers. These are chromatin fiber. It is the structure of nucleus. And nucleoplasm also present. A fluid also present inside of nucleus, which is a nucleoplasm. Centriole present near to nucleus. Centriole take part in a cell division, take part in a mitosis division. Because during mitosis division, there are presence of one pair of centriole. It means two pieces of centriole, and they each centriole reach on two opposite port, upper side and lower side, so that they help in formation of chromosome fibers, and they also help in formation of esters. That's why they involve in mitosis division. So centriole play a very important role during mitosis division, because each centriole reach on opposite side and they help in formation of two pole of chromosomes. And a spherical shape structure also present inside of nucleus, which is known as a nucleolus, and nucleus surrounded by nuclear membrane. And a chromatin, a fiber-like structure present inside of cell is called chromatin fiber. This type of structure present during interphase. Another complete organ also present, like near to nuclear membrane. Golgi, endoplasmic reticulum present, and after here Golgi apparatus also present. Mitochondria also present. These are Golgi body, which generally present near to endoplasmic reticulum. These are ribosome, and presence of ribosome on endoplasmic reticulum represent to ERF, endoplasmic reticulum. And another all cell organelles also present inside of animal cell. Then firstly we discuss about chromatin fiber. What is chromatin fiber? In normal case and in interphase, chromosome joined with each other and form a thread-like structure. This thread-like structure is called chromatin fiber. In mitosis division, we are going to study about activity and movement of chromosome. That's why mitosis division completely depend on movement of chromosome. Then so that we need to know about complete structure which related to chromatin fiber or chromosomes. That's why firstly we need to study about structure of chromosome and structure of chromatin fiber, because in mitosis division and in process of mitosis division we are going to discuss about complete movement of chromosomes, how chromosomes are formed, how chromosome move from one region to another, which type of structure which type of structure of chromosome present in nucleus. So that firstly before beginning of mitosis division, firstly we need to know about structure of chromosome and chromatin fiber. Chromatin fiber formed by chromatin fiber is a thread-like structure which present inside of nucleus, and it appear like beads, string beads means मोतियों की माला, and it is formed by chromatin fiber formed by combination of DNA plus histone protein. Chromatin fiber formed by DNA and histone protein. Chromatin fiber look like as thread. And some beads like structure also appear in a chromatin fiber. Like this. These beads like structure are histone protein, and this part is called DNA, and they having chromosomes. So chromosome present in a thread like structure which is known as chromatin fiber, and DNA plus histone protein combine and form. It means in chromatin fiber all chromosomes combine with each other and present a thread like structure. Why they present a thread like structure? Because in a human being the DNA has approximate 2.2 meter length. 2.2 meter length DNA present in human being, and dimension of nucleus very short. Dimension of nucleus very short. That's why it is required to formation of the chromatin fiber, and it present in interwinding structure. Now, so what is chromatin fiber? It is a thread-like structure which associate with histone protein and present in interwinding form. It is called chromatin fiber. It means a chromosome present in form of chromatin fiber during interphase, and it is for during mitosis division. During mitosis division, condensation process carried out. During mitosis division, condensation process carried out, and these chromatin fiber condense and form a small rod like structure and form chromosome. It means chromosome structure form and appear only during a mitosis division and meiosis division, like that. In this way, after condensation during time period of mitosis division, these chromatin fiber condense and form chromosomes, and it having some specific structure like that. This structure is called arm-like structure is called chromatids. Central part is called centromere. Centromere covered by centromere covered by a disc-like structure. This disc-like structure is called kinetochores. So these are it is a structure of chromatid. So it is a structure of chromosome. Chromosome having a specific characters and specific structures like chromatid, centromere and kinetochore. Chromatids arm-like structure is called chromatids, and centromere by help of centromere these two chromatids are joined with each other, and centromere covered by or enclosed by a disc-like structure which is known as kinetochores. So these are important points related to nucleus, and the study of these structure required to complete because in mitosis division completely depends on activity of chromatin fiber and movement of chromosomes. So what is chromatin fiber? Chromatin fiber thread-like structure which present in interwinding structure inside of nucleus, and it means all chromosome present in a fibered structure inside of nucleus, and these beads-like structure represent to presence of histone protein, and near to chromatin fiber a spherical shape structure also present nucleolus, and outside of nuclear membrane spherical shaped structure also present known as centriole, and centriole play a very important role during mitosis division because each centriole during mitosis division each centriole is separate from each other and reach on the both pole of nucleus, and after that they play an important role to take part in movement of chromosomes, and another is nuclear fluid which present inside of nucleus is called nucleoplasm, and during mitosis this type of structure present during interphase, and during mitosis division these chromatin fiber condense and form a small rod-like structure they known as chromosome. So chromosome having that like structure in which arm-like structure present known as chromatid, and both the chromatid join with each other by a middle point which is known as centromere. It means centromere help in connection of chromatids, and a disc-like structure present which is enclosed to centromere is called kinetochore. So it is a structure of chromatin fiber. Now we are going to study about a complete mechanism of mitosis division. Mitosis division completes in two phases. Karyokinesis and second cytokinesis. Karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis in which nuclear division take place, and it completes in four phases. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Karyokinesis in which nuclear division take place, and it completes in four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. And cytokinesis in which division of cytoplasm and distribution of cellular organelles into two daughter cells. So what is mitosis division completes in two phases or two steps. Karyokinesis also known as nuclear division. Nuclear division carried out by four subphases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. And cytokinesis process in which division of cytoplasm take place and distribution of all cellular organelles into two daughter cells. These events take place in a mitosis division. So firstly we take karyokinesis. In karyokinesis, first step is prophase. First step is prophase. Main event of prophase is pro means first, phase means stage, first stage of mitosis division. And main event of prophase is formation of chromosome from chromatin fibers. Formation of chromosome from chromatin fiber, it is the main function of this stage. And prophase phase completes in four subphases, three subphases. Early prophase, mid prophase and late prophase. These are three subphases of prophase, and main function of this and main event of prophase to formation of chromosome from chromatin fibers. Which event take place in early prophase? During early prophase, chromatin fibers condense. Chromatin fibers are condensed. During prophase, chromatin fibers are condensed and form a small rod-like structure chromosomes. Now a small rod-like structure chromosomes and chromosomes having chromatids, chromosomes having chromatids. Those connect by centromere.